Hello guys, this is the first video class that we're gonna have, but I bet that it's not going to be the last one because you will enjoy to see me, but at the same time eating popcorn and wearing your pajamas and your slippers, right? Instead of being in the classroom at 7 a.m. in the morning, so I bet you're gonna enjoy it. Today we're going to talk about global warming. Okay, what's global warming? Global warming is defined as the increase of the average temperature in the Earth's atmosphere, and the Earth has experienced numerous episodes of these changes of this global warming. Okay, this is a natural process, and if this is a natural process, why should we be worried about this time, right? Well, first of all, this is the first time that the human activities are influenced directly to the global warming process. So it means that we are increasing the speedness of the process, and that's not really good because if we increase the speedness, then we are making some pressure over the other species to evolve. The problem is that they are not fast enough evolving because you know that evolution takes several hundreds of years, so we're not letting them to get adapted. So that's why many species are getting extinct. Obviously, this is really bad because at the end we're just one more species in the planet, which means that we're gonna go directly to the same final, right? We're not gonna have a really happy ending about it. So we have to be worried about it, you know? I mean, if somebody tells you you're gonna die, you have to be worried about why, and if you can do something different or something to change it, right? Anyway, we're the principal cause of global warming. And why? Why is that? It is because we're the only animal in the planet that produce greenhouse gases. And which ones are the greenhouse gases? We have the carbon dioxide, the CO2, that is the most common because we use fuels, we use oil, we use coal, so it means that we are producing carbon dioxide every time we make different processes at the factories and all the management of resources, right? We have the nitrous oxide or N2O that is produced every time that we fertilize with synthetic components the earth, you know. So as long as we need more food, because we are more and more people in the planet, we need to fill the lands with these synthetic fertilizers. So that's why we have a lot of nitrous oxide and the atmosphere N2O. And the last one is the methane or CH4 that it is produced in all the landfills that we have around the world, and we have to accept that we produce lots of garbage. So that means that we have more landfills and more and more and more, and we are letting a lot of methane to the atmosphere. Also, we have to include extensive farming because even if you think that is not possible, when the cows for the fart, then they are emitting this methane to the atmosphere. And if you have only one cow, maybe you can say, come on, how much can it affect to the atmosphere? But if you think that we have intensive and extensive farming where we have more than 10,000 cows in the same hectare of land, then you can think that is a considerable quantity of methane. Anyway, global warming is causing lots of bad effects, and we're gonna see some in the next video that we're gonna watch. Okay, so I want you to watch it, I want you to observe it, I want you to think about it, and I don't want you to cry, please. Anyway, you're gonna die sooner or later, you're gonna die, so why should you be worried about it? Just try to focus on how long you're gonna live and how you wanna live. Okay, watch the video and think about global warming. See you later after the video. Okay. I really suggest that you also watch the next video that we have there. It's a whole conference about global warming, so it could be a great idea that you watch it. Okay, so as you see, we're losing lots of ice. Where I mean, all the icebergs are melting and this stuff. The coral reefs are bleaching, and we can see other effects, right? So we have to be careful about what we are doing because we can end up with the human life as we know it. So we have to really reflect about it and we have to think how to control all this destruction that we are provoking, okay? So that's your homework. You're gonna write a small essay about global warming and what you think that we can do to control it. But I want you to write personal actions. I mean, stuff that you can do by yourself, okay? Without any government support or anything, okay? Support, sorry. So, see you later, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this class and see you at the classroom tomorrow. And please don't wear your pajamas in the classroom. I want you to dress formally, okay? I mean, dressy pants and stuff. See you guys. Goodbye.